Do you know many people are having trouble with switching cooking modes on their Philips Airfryer? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Turn on appliance. Start by short pressing the rotary button to turn on the appliance. Step 2. Confirm or browse. Press the rotary button to confirm actions or turn it to browse menu options and change cooking settings. Step 3. Set air speed. Manually set the airspeed in modes like manual cooking or food thermometer by pressing the airspeed button. Step 4. Use appropriate speed. Use low airspeed for dishes with long cooking times and high airspeed for quicker meals like fries or chicken nuggets. Step 5. Activate silent mode. Remember, low airspeed activates silent mode. Long press the rotary button to turn off the appliance. Now you should be able to switch cooking modes easily on your Philips Airfryer XXL Connected. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Philips users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.